In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change canvas size in Affinity Designer. Whether you need extra room around your artwork or want to crop things down to a precise dimension, this quick process keeps your layout clean and under control. First, open the Affinity app on your computer and make sure the document you want to adjust is active. With the file open, head to the menu bar at the top and click Document. This is where Affinity groups core settings that affect your entire file, so it's the right place to manage overall dimensions. From that menu, choose Setup. This opens a dialog that centralizes important options. Inside this window, look for the resize area. You're going to use this to change the size of the working area without unintentionally scaling your artwork. Next, switch to the canvas section. The canvas defines the boundaries of your document, the visible working space. Changing the canvas size expands or crops that boundary, but it doesn't stretch or shrink your existing layers. That's useful when you need more margin space for layout, or when you want to trim excess space for export. Just keep in mind that reducing the canvas can crop content at the edges. Now, select your new size. Enter the width and height you want, or choose a preset if one matches your goal. If you're maintaining a proportion, keep an eye on any link or lock icons next to width and height that constrain the aspect ratio, so changing one value updates the other automatically. For tight layouts, it helps to double check your numbers before applying them. Choose the units that make sense for your project. Pixels are best for screen graphics and UI work. Inches, millimeters, or points are better for print, where physical measurements matter. Pick the unit first so your width and height are interpreted correctly. Set the anchor to control where the canvas grows or shrinks from. The center anchor expands or crops evenly on all sides. Selecting a corner or edge tells Affinity which side should stay fixed, so you can add space to a particular direction or crop from a specific edge without nudging everything after the fact. This is especially handy when aligning to margins or bleed. When everything looks right, click Resize to apply your changes. Give the document a quick scan to confirm nothing important was cropped and that any added space appears exactly where you intended. That's it. Your canvas size is updated cleanly and precisely in Affinity Designer.